At present, most of the municipal solid waste generated is dumped in landfill sites, causing not only contamination of soil, air and groundwater, but creating a breeding ground for vermin and pathogens and acting as a catalyst for diseases and epidemics. About 70% of all municipal solid waste is organic. Introducing a state-of-the-art composting plant from Waste is Gold Technologies, which transforms organic waste into enriched compost. How does it work? Waste is brought to the composting plant by tippers and is unloaded into the industrial funnel. It is then transferred to the motorized dry waste segregation belt, where the inorganic waste is removed and segregated organic waste is taken to the buffer tank, which can hold up to 50 tons of waste. A synchronized feed and dispensing system in the buffer tank enables the operators to regulate the speed as needed. The segregated organic waste is fed into the industrial shredder, where the size is reduced to accelerate the composting process. The shredded waste is then fed into the customized organic waste composter. In the machine, choppers further reduce the size of the waste. Bioculture and absorbent are added, and the composting process is accelerated by warm air blowers, which maintain the required moisture and temperature levels. Depending on the water content of the input, you should get a 50 to 70% output of high quality organic fertilizer, which will then be transported to farmers for their organic farming. Waste is Gold envisions a world without landfills, where all waste materials are transformed into useful resources, creating environmental sustainability and ensuring human well-being.